This is Quest 3, our most advanced headset yet. It's got high-resolution color mixed reality, it's got a lot better displays, and a lot more experiences. And with the new pancake lenses that we've designed, it's also a lot thinner. Okay, you ready? We've brought full color pass-through to Quest 3, so now you can see the world around you wherever you are.
Oh, this is kind of wild.
The graphics are sharper and clearer, so you can seamlessly blend virtual objects with the physical world.
I mean, this is pretty fun.
With mixed reality, you can work out in your own living room.
It's more like fighting Agent Smith.
Ow!
Just gotta take out this octopus, you know? Hey, Buzz.
You wanna get medieval?
Yeah, let's do it. Here we go. Alright, let's fight to death.
Ooh, I think I got a deep cut on that.
Not looking good over here.
I could have broken.
Oh, surprisingly fun.
So that's just a small preview of what you're gonna be able to do with Quest 3. There's a whole world of experiences out there, and with more power and better graphics, they're gonna be better than ever.
I'm really enjoying this.
Okay.
I can't wait for you to try this.